From First Track Weather, this is your latest weather forecast. Here's Dalton Atkins.
Heat and humidity once again the story today. 93 is the high at the Evansville Regional Airport, a low of 74 today. Normal for this time of the year for the high right around 88 degrees, so a little bit above average. Normal low right around 66. A record high of 105, that was set in 1930. I tried to check back in the archives to see if I could get any information on the dew point or the humidity for that date, because I was interested to see what the heat index was compared to what we've seen today. I was not able to find that, but I would imagine if that's a dry heat of 105 and there was some humidity to factor in, nonetheless that'd be a very unpleasant experience to be witnessing in 1930. 51 for a record low, and that was set in 1976. Temperatures out there right now, we're all continuing to fall through the lower 90s, and we'll continue to fall overnight tonight, ending up right around 74 for an overnight low, but currently sitting at around 90 here in Owensboro and then 88 in the city of Evansville right now. Dew point out there right now, 73 here in Davis County, or 72 in the city of Evansville. So that does put us in that steamy category out there across the majority of the area. As we continue into heat index values out there, currently right around 100 here in Davis County, 94 right now in the city of Evansville. But as we take a look at Storm View HD, you can see a few showers there, at least trying to pop up on the eastern half of the tri-state. Right now, the majority of it's trying to remain out of the area, but a slight shower there as you head into Ohio County, and some other light showers there, at least on the far eastern side there of Perry County. But we'll continue to keep an eye on it. But as we take you through the overnight hours tonight, you can see they try to work a few of these showers a little bit further west, and some of those could get into at least some of our southern western Kentucky counties, and then some of our farther Illinois counties here like Perry and DuBois County. But I'm not expecting too much of widespread rainfall, at least today. That'll come tomorrow and through the rest of the week. By 10 o'clock tonight, though, a few showers there near Madisonville or along the West Kentucky Parkway. Those try to slide a bit further north here into the Davis County area, but I believe those will all fall apart before they actually get up to here. And even if they don't, just a light, isolated shower, not expecting too much in the way of a washout with those showers. Here's the rainfall totals over the next 5 days. This is from the Weather Prediction Center, so this is an estimated forecast from them actually analyzing all the models. So they're estimating at least 2 inches here as you head north of I-64. South of that, you get into at least a inch and a half here, pretty much along the Ohio River, and then you go south towards the West Kentucky Parkway, you get about an inch and a quarter there. But nonetheless, quite a bit of rainfall expected here over the next 5 days, and you'll see why when you see the 7-day with all the rain that's expected and every day this week where we actually have a rainfall percentage there. But overnight tonight, falling back to right around 73 degrees, mostly clear, about a 30% chance of seeing one of those showers. That's mainly east. Tomorrow, 92 out there, mostly sunny, 60% chance of showers out there. They'll be mainly later in the afternoon. And then here's over the next 7 days, the rainfall chances only expected to increase as we head into Friday, up to a 70% chance. A few rumbles of thunder can also not be ruled out. But then as we head into Saturday, those decrease. Along with the humidity, as we head into Sunday, at least the latter half of the weekend, the humidity and temperature should begin to draw back just ever slightly. And as we head into Monday, a little bit cooler. Once again, a slight chance of rain. And as we head into Tuesday, the rainfall will go down, but the humidity and the heat will begin to rise once again.